Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have going to share Eyescream Beauty, both the bag and the box. So I have these here to share today, and so let's get started. Okay, friends, first of all, I just want to say I'm back. If those of you who do follow me and have wondered where I've been, I haven't posted in a couple weeks, and I just kind of have gone through a couple of hard months, probably some of the hardest of my life. And last week I took, I just went on a vacation, a getaway on my own, all by myself. And I actually loved it. It was just good for me. I've had some health problems, and I know I've shared this before, but my niece, who I raised as a daughter, passed away from cancer. And anyway, I've been dealing with that and taking care of her kids. And anyway, so it's just been a long little haul. So if you've never gone away on a vacation by yourself, I say do it. So I was a little leery. I wanted to take a friend, but part of me just wanted to be alone. And so I did, and it was really fun. So I went, actually, living in Arizona, I wanted to go somewhere fairly close, and we have Marriott timeshare, so I went to Palm Springs, California. And it's beautiful there. It was still hot, like where I am in Arizona, but anyway, it was a nice little getaway for me. It was very relaxing, and I didn't even feel like filming or posting, and so I have a lot coming up here, so I'm getting excited to share. I have tons of stuff to share, so we've got a lot coming up here, so I will be posting a little bit more in the next few weeks here. But let's just get started with the Eyescream Beauty. I think I'm going to do the bag and then the box. So in the bag, I've got, looks like we got 3 items, and the theme is, well, is there a theme? Just has a bunch of fruit here. There might be a theme in the bigger box, but this is the little card I got. And so the first thing I'm going to share is from Zeesea Cosmetics. We got a setting spray. So here it is here. I'm going to open it up, and we'll see what it's all about. These Zeesea Cosmetics comes in a lot of Eyescream Beauty boxes and bags, and I love their packaging. They have some really fun packaging. I've never seen one that's all just sleek black like this. Isn't that cool for a setting spray? I didn't put any setting spray on today, so I'm going to see if... Okay. It's a fine mist, and it has a little bit of a scent that's pleasant. So anyway, I'm actually excited about it. So I love this packaging. I just think it's so pretty. So anyway, there's that. That's my first item in the bag. And that's a big item, full-size item. It looks like all of the things in the bag. I got 3 things, but they all look full-size. The next thing I'm going to share here is, this is from Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics, and it's a liquid lip gloss. So Sugar Drizzle right here. It's got the iridescent packaging. That's kind of fun. And I wonder if okay, it has a charm on it. Sugar Drizzle, so it has a little donut, like a charm. I've never had a lip product that has a charm on it. I'm not sure about the color. It looks kind of peachy. Well, it's kind of neutral. Let me see. I'm going to just put a little bit on my... Okay, so there it is. Don't want to try it on because I already have like a pinky color on, but it smells really good. It smells like fruity. It smells really good, but it is a little bit sticky, But sometimes sticky isn't bad. Sometimes that means it just stays on better or whatever. But anyway, so that's my second item. Now the third item is always an eyeshadow palette. You always get an eyeshadow palette in the back box and the bag. This is from Charmacy, and it is a 12 color palette. It's valued at $27. So it comes in this little velvet pouch, a little brown velvet pouch. And it's just got a pretty kind of a metallic plastic case. Okay. Actually, that's really pretty. The colors in here are, it's a nice, it's got this row right here is all me. It's got some nice little greens, some silvers, white. Anyway, so I kind of like it. Let me try, I'm going to just try this row, this first row that I said was kind of me. And let's just do those right there. Look at that. How pretty is that? It's really nice. Okay, let's try a couple of greens here. I don't know if they're, I didn't really clean off my hands, so there's a couple of greens. And then we've got the white here. And it's more iridescent. Look at that right here. It looks totally white here, but it's very iridescent. Kind of gives a pink or a pink, blue, purple, whatever. So anyway, I'm actually excited about this little palette. So that was good. So $27. It's got this cute velvet package. It says Charmacy on it. And so in the bag, I got this. I got the zeesea setting spray. I don't think I told you what that value on this was. So this is valued at $29, believe it or not. And it feels really good quality, so I can kind of see why. And then this lippy was valued at $8. So, and then we've got a $27 palette. So those are the three items in the bag. I think it's a great value. These are all items I will use. And that bag, so for a $16 bag, I love it. It's $12.50, but they end up adding a tax and shipping on that. So anyway, there's that. Okay, so next we have the box. I'm going to open it up. I don't know what's in here, but here we go. There's a little look peek, and I've got the card right here. It says in the clouds, July, it's in the clouds. So there we go. There's the bag, and I'm just going to start here with, this is Medusa's makeup, and I'm probably going to do this. This is a cruelty-free and vegan tinted lip balm. It's in the color Social right here. And let's see. I'll find out information on it. It's really cute. Look at that. Okay. And ooh, it's a good color. I like that color. Okay, it's gonna come on, well, it comes on kind of sheer, but there you go. There's the Medusa's Tinted Lip Balm. It's valued at $12. Okay, so it's a balance between lip balm and lipstick. So there's the first item. The second item I'm pulling out here is an item from Ofra. And this just looks like a white kind of, I don't know if it's meant to be a highlighter or, let's see here. It's oil control press powder, valued at $29. So this is just like an oil control powder. Love Oprah products. So there's the second item. The third item I'm pulling out here is kind of a fun little box here. And this happens to be, is this the bronze contour? Oh, look how fun this is, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's coming in a little velvet bag. And it is, how pretty is this? It's got a little charm so it can kind of hang here, but let's open it up and take a look at it. Opens right here. Okay, look at this. Okay, take the, so there we go. How pretty is that? So this is a bronzed, it's called Blossom Bronzer Contour by Palace Identity. Now, I've never heard of that. It's valued at $42. Very pretty packaging. I mean, this is just fun. So, I love it. I just think it's really cute. What does it say about it? It's, it just says warm or sculpture look for summer. There are 2 shades that you can work together with. So anyway, that's really pretty, really exciting, something new, something fun, something pretty. Okay, so the next item, it looks like we've got a mascara. This is also from Charmacy, the same as the eyeshadow palette I got. So this is a mascara. It's valued at $22. It says it's sweat proof, makes it another summer must have. Sweat proof mascara is specifically formulated to withstand moisture and humidity, ensuring your lashes stay voluminous and defined throughout the day. So that sounds great to me. You know how you get your lashes anyway. So let's see here. Another pretty, it's like the eyeshadow palette. It's got this pretty metal, the kind of a, I don't know, it's just a bronzy color. And let's see what the tip looks like, or the head. Okay, it's just a basic brush. I think it's bristle brushes, not the plastic. I think it looks like it will be a really good mascara. So I'm kind of excited to try it. So there's that. This is fun. The bag in the box can kind of coordinate. I'm really happy with this month so far. So the last item I have in the box, of course, is an eyeshadow palette. This is from Moonslice Beauty, right there. And it's got, looks like 15 colors in it. Let's see what it says about it. Moon Magic or Blue Moon palette. Okay, there was a choice. This is the moon one, I think, the Moon Magic. There was another one too. I think it was a blue. And now that I recall, we did get to choose between the palettes. So, so Moonslice Beauty, it's the first time they featured this brand. And the palette is valued at $30. So let's take a look. I'm not even sure what it looks like inside. So, okay. So it looks very purple and pink, which I just discovered, you guys, I haven't told you this yet, but I just discovered that I can wear purple. I've always been afraid of it. And I did a purple look when we had April's memorial, her service. We called it a celebration of life. We all wore purple because she loved purple, and I had a purple look and I loved it. So I'll be doing that too in another video and show a good purple look. I guess I could use this palette. I used the one I tried. I used the, where is it? I can't find it right now, but I used the Jeffree Star, the purple palette from the Jeffree Star. But anyway, so there's that. $30. Looks decent. So it's got a few shimmers, some mattes, a little bit of everything. So there's that. So I got this. I got the bronzer, almost a full face look. I got the ofra oil control powder. I got the mascara and the lip. It's a gloss lipstick. I mean, you could almost get a full face here. So we got that. And then, of course, I got these 3 wonderful items in the bag. So tell me what you think. Do you like the bag better or the box better? I'm loving this setting spray already. I'm excited about it. Love the aesthetics of it. So, and both of these both of these palettes look pretty awesome too. So happy about it. Do you guys get the Ice Cream Beauty box? Have you tried it? I usually am very happy with the items I get. I tend to use them less though for some reason. I don't know. When you get a lot of beauty products like I do and share a lot of beauty products, you tend to go for the high-end products. It are a lot of the ones I usually use, but you do get some high-end products in Ice Cream Beauty. They're just not usually as well-known brands, but they do have Ofra a lot, which is great. And I'm loving the zeesea stuff I get from them. So anyway, that's that. So I hope you liked what I got. I like what I got. Let me know what you think. So thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.